Hello everyone, my name is Cherry and welcome back to my channel Cherry on the Cake. Today in this video we are going to talk everything you need to know about visualization, because when we talk about law of attraction and whenever we are doing any technique, we are asked to visualize along with it. And there are a lot of people who struggle with visualization. They are not able to see the pictures very clearly. I myself struggled a lot when it comes about visualization, and when I came to know about the entire technique and step-by-step formula, I was able to visualize much better and get the desired results. Today in this video, we are going to declutter everything about visualization so that you can manifest your dream life. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now, visualization is not a very new concept. You are already using visualization every day and every moment in your life. But because of our limiting beliefs and the conditioning of our mind, we are using our innate power to create lack and limitation. And once we know about this innate power and how to use it, you will be using it in a more conscious way to create a life that is full of joy, fulfillment, and everything you dreamt of. It's just the use of your inner intelligence or the power that is already within you to create your reality. According to quantum physics, everything is made up of energy. Even the matter at most fundamental level is nothing but energy. And the energy is vibrating at different frequencies. Based on what frequency it is vibrating, it can be very subtle like a thought, or it can be very denser like matter. And one quality of the energy is that it is magnetic in nature. It has the ability to attract other energies or other things that are vibrating at the same frequency. Suppose there is a bundle of energy that is vibrating at 50 hertz. Now this energy has the ability to attract the other things or other energies that are vibrating at 50 hertz. That is the basic foundation of visualization, because just like everything, our thoughts are also energy, and when we are using our thoughts, we are having a picture in our mind, we are using it to attract the things that are vibrating at the same frequency in our life. Now the visualization can be done in the 4 steps. In the first step, you have to be very clear of what you want. And a lot of people miss the first and the second step, and they struggle in the visualization process. You have to sit with yourself and think what you really want to manifest. You have to be very specific. And once you are clear what you want in your life, you have to move to step 2. You have to create an idea or a mental picture. For doing this, you can use the ChatGPT as well. Just go to ChatGPT. Let's say if you want to lose your weight, just put your picture in the ChatGPT and give it the prompt that how I will look after losing suppose 10 kg of weight or 5 kg of weight, and you will get a rough idea. Now it is easier to visualize with this picture. If you can't do this ChatGPT thing, you can create a script. You have to be as much detailed as possible. You have to write very minute details. Suppose you are manifesting an event, you have to think what you are wearing, what jewelry you are wearing, how you are feeling, what is the sensation that are there in your body. You have to be as detailed as you can. Once you have prepared the script, you have to read it before your visualization, and then you have to move to the third step, that is the visualization process itself. Once you are done with the step 1 and step 2, you have to sit for visualization. And before starting visualization, you have to calm your brain waves, and to do that, you have to go into relaxation. You can try out any meditation, or you can follow a simple practice that I used to do. You have to just close your eyes and you have to count from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And with each count, you have to take a very deep, slow breath and relax your entire body. Take all the tension out of your body and mind. And once you are completely relaxed and your mind is stable, your body is stable, then you have to move to visualization. And then you have to visualize everything that you have written in the script or you have seen in the ChatGPT image. Now comes the most important thing in visualization, and most people fail at this point. They only use their visual abilities, but we have 5 senses and we have to use all of them. Suppose you want to have a baby and you are manifesting it, then rather than just visualizing your baby, Just try to feel how your baby's skins will feel like, how it will smell, how your baby's skin will taste, and how when you will make love with your baby, how you will feel like. You have to get the feel of every sense. Try to hear the cries of your baby, how your baby giggles. And once you are done with the visualization, you have to end your visualization with a simple affirmation: this or something better manifest for me in the most satisfying and harmonious way for the highest good of all. Because when you are making this affirmation, you are acknowledging that you are a limited person and the universe is infinite. It can have better plans for you, and you are surrendering to the universe. That was the whole process of visualization, and you have to do it once in the morning and before going to sleep. For better results, you can do it one in the afternoon as well. And once you have done enough number of times, you can surrender it to the universe if you feel like, or you can keep on doing this until you manifest that thing in your life. That's it for today's video, and if you learned anything from this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay connected for more such amazing videos. Till then, bye bye.